Now in this sum of sound, hydrogen gas is filled in two identical bottles at the same temperature. Temperature is the same. Mass of hydrogen in two bottles is 12 gram and 48 grams. In which bottle sound will travel faster and how many times as fast as the other? Okay. So we have been given mass of bottle A as 12 gram. There are two bottles, A and B. Okay. So mass of the bottle is 12 gram and mass of bottle B, that is 48 grams. Now as the bottles are identical, there are two identicals, means their volume will be same. So V1 is equal to V2 as the bottles are identical, so their volumes or so their capacities will be same. Okay? Volume is related to the capacity, are identical, so their capacities are same. इसलिए हम V1 is equal to V2 is equal to क्या ले लेंगे? V ले लेंगे. Now if we have been asked to find out the speed of sound, okay, speed means the velocity. If we are going to find out the speed of the velocity where mass is given to us, so the factors on which sound depends in the air is, one of the factor is that sound is, or velocity of sound is inversely proportional to the density. This is one of the factors. If you go through the lesson, velocity of sound is what? Inversely proportional to the density. This is one of the factors for velocities of sound in air. Velocity of sound is inversely proportional to the square root of density. This is the relation. We have to use, हमको ये relation use करना है, ठीक है. लेकिन पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Density ले लेंगे. Density is mass upon volume. Now this is the formula. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So density is denoted by rho. Rho 1 is m1 upon v, and rho 2 density is denoted by rho m2 upon v. V क्यों same है? Because the capacities of the two bottles are the same. Okay. So now what will be the density of first one? This is 12 upon v, and this will be 48 upon v. अब आपको रिलेशनशिप लेनी है वेलोसिटी ऑफ साउंड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस, है ना. तो इट विल बी, v विल बी इक्वल टू, that will be equal to what? That will be equal to, v is equal to 12 upon rho 1 and v will be equal to 48 upon rho 2. Now you can see the left hand side is same. If the left hand side is same, so the right hand side should be equal, right? So therefore 12 upon rho 1 is equal to 48 upon rho 2. 12 ones are 12 fours are 1 upon rho 1 upon is equal to 4 upon rho 2. Got that? Now rho 2 upon rho 1 will be equal to 4. ये रिलेशन आ गया, ये यहाँ चला गया, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें. Now we come to this relation. Velocity of sound is inversely proportional to what? It is inversely proportional to the density, square root of densities. So if we are taking this v again, come to this relation. Our relation is v is equal to 1 upon rho, है ना. So it is v is equal to 1 upon square root of rho 1 and v will be equal to 1 upon square root of rho 2. Now if we divide, if we are considering V1 and V2, okay, so what will be V1 upon V2? It will be 1 upon square root of density of the first divided by 1 upon square root of density of the second. Division है, तो division will change into multiplication with the reciprocal of the second one. So 1 upon square root of rho 1 into square root of rho 2 upon 1. यानी आपका क्या आ गया रिलेशनशिप? V1 upon V2 is equal to square root of rho 2 upon rho 1. Fine? ये यहाँ से. Now what is rho 2 upon rho 1? It is 4. Square root of 4. So that will be V1 upon V2 is equal to 2. And the velocity of sound in the bottle A is 2 times the velocity of sound in bottle B. V1 is equal to twice V2. V1 is the velocity of sound in bottle A. So velocity of sound in bottle A will be what? It will be twice the velocity of sound in bottle B. So sound in bottle A will travel faster as compared to that in bottle B. I hope you understood the sum. Any doubt? Please put it in the comment box.